Question bank on AT Welding, that is, aluminium and iron oxide, welding. Question 1. In AT Welding process, what is the role of closing pin? Option 1. To hold the portion before melt. 2. To hold the asbestos powder and slag. 3. Both above are correct. 4. None of the above. Answer: 3. Both above are correct. Question 2. In AT Welding process, what is the role of asbestos powder and slag? Option 1. To separate closing pin from portion asterisk. 2. To hold the portion. 3. Both above are correct. 4. None of the above. Answer: 1. To separate closing pin from portion. Question 3. What is the life of portion? Option 1. 2 years. 2. No specific life. 3. 6 months. 4. 1 year. Answer: 2. No specific life. Question 4. Life of portion mainly depend upon. Option 1. Quality of packing. 2. Storage condition. 3. Quality of packing and storage condition. 4. Ingredients of portions. Answer: 3. Quality of packing and storage condition. Question 5. How rejected portion are to be disposed of? Option 1. By igniting 5 portions at a time in pit away from store. 2. By throwing them away. 3. By dispose of in a pit. 4. By using it in branch yard lines for welding. Answer: 1. By igniting 5 portions at a time in pit away from store. Question 6. Where portion sample tests, test piece, should be conducted? Option 1. At desire by RDSO. 2. At zonal CMT's organization or the flash butt welding plant. 3. In RDSO campus. 4. As decided by in charge of the plant. Answer: 2. At zonal CMT's organization or the flash butt welding plant. Question 7. The composition of thermite welding team. Option 1. 7 numbers. 2. 8 numbers. 3. 6 numbers. 4. 9 numbers. Answer: 2. 8 numbers. Question 8. What is the duration for initial course for welders, TW1? Option 1. 2 weeks. 2. 1 week. 3. As decided by TPP. 4. 3 working days. Answer: 1. 2 weeks. Question 9. What is the duration for refresher course for welders, TW2? Option 1. 1 week. 2. 2 weeks. 3. Question 10. What is the duration for supervisors course, TW3? 1. 1 week. 2. 2 weeks. 3. As decided by TPP. 4. 3 working days. Answer: 1. 1 week. Question 11. Type of competency certificate issued after TW1 course. Option 1. Competency for 2 years. 2. Provisional competency. 3. Competency for 6 months. 4. Competency to do welding independently. Answer: 2. Provisional competency. Question 12. What is the validity of provisional competency certificate? Option 1. Valid for executing 50 joints or 6 months, whichever is earlier. 2. Valid for executing 100 joints or 6 months, whichever is earlier. 3. Valid for executing 50 joints. 4. Valid for 6 months. Answer: 2. Valid for executing 100 joints or 6 months, whichever is earlier. Question 13. What is the validity after refresher course for welders, TW2? Option 1. 6 months. 2. 1 year. 3. 2 years. 4. All are wrong. Answer: 3. 2 years. Question 14. What is the validity after supervisors course, TW3? Option 1. Normally, supervisors shall not be required to undergo the course again. However, they may be sent for course on performance basis. 2. 2 years. 3. 5 years. 4. 10 years. Answer: 1. Normally, supervisors shall not be required to undergo the course again. However, they may be sent for course on performance basis. Question 15. How much rail ends are cleaned with kerosene oil and steel wire brush? Option 1. Minimum 100 mm both side. 2. Minimum 50 mm both side. 3. No need. 4. As decided by site supervisor. Answer: 2. Minimum 50 mm both side. Question 16. Ignition rod can be ignited from. Option 1. Matchbox. 2. Ignition match. 3. From fire. 4. None of the above. Answer: 2. Ignition match. Question 17. What is the minimum distance between AT weld and other joint exist in track? Option 1. 2 meters. 2. 3 meters. 3. 4 meters. 4. 4.5 meters. Answer: 3. 4 meters. Question 18. During AT welding reaction is. Option 1. Exothermic. 2. Endothermic. 3. No reaction. 4. Heating. Answer: 1. Exothermic. Question 19. What is the approx weight of 52 kg portion? Option 1. 10 kg. 2. 11 kg. 3. 12 kg. 4. None of the above. Answer: 2. 11 kg. Question 20. What is the approx weight of 60 kg portion? Option 1. 11 kg. 2. 12 kg. 3. 13 kg. 4. None of the above. Answer: 3. 13 kg. Question 21. Internal diameter of thimble in conventional type of crucible is? Option 1. 14 to 16 millimeters. 1. 16 to 18 millimeters. 3. 18 to 20 millimeters. 4. 20 to 22 millimeters. Answer: 3. 18 to 20 millimeters. Question 22. Name the material which is separated from molten steel during chemical reaction of AT welding. Option 1. Aluminium oxide, slag. 2. Ferrous oxide. 3. Aluminium. 4. Ferrous. Answer: 1. Aluminium oxide, slag. Question 23. Finishing tolerances are measured by? Option 1. On 30 cm scale. 2. 1 meters straightage or 10 cm straightage. 3. On 15 cm straight edge. 4. On 30 cm straight edge. Answer: 2. 1 meters straightage or 10 centimeters straightage. Question 24. To take care of differential cooling, rail ends of 90 UTS rails are lifted by? Option 1. 1 mm. 2. 2 mm. 3. 2 to 2.2 mm. 4. 1 to 2 mm. Answer: 3. 2 to 2.2 mm. Question 25. Which gauge is used to measure finishing tolerances? Option 1. Tilted gauge. 2. Filter gauge. 3. Meter gauge. 4. Filler gauge. Answer: 4. Filler gauge.